Rare find. Almost 1 acre east, only 3 miles from beautiful downtown Delray Beach and 4 miles to the ocean. Property is a complete remodel including, but not limited to, roof, 2015, everything else replaced, redone in 2016 AC, hurricane impact windows and doors, new plumbing, electrical panel, stainless steel refrigerator, gas double oven range, microwave drawer, wine cooler, dishwasher, quartz countertops, waterfall quartz center island, hood, backsplash, tons of cabinet space, white shaker, plantation shutters, guest bath, double sinks with tub, master double sinks, large 2-person shower, washer, gas dryer, gas instant hot water heater, new floors, new walls, insulation, lots of lighting, all LED, saltwater lap pool, pool equipment including pool heater and chiller, and much more. Sold as I.